Hi, good morning. In this video, we are going to prepare for the back-end interview of Rust because this is the most important question asked in every Rust interview for the back-end and system engineering. So this is just a basic question of that. So total are the I think 35 and just what is and how it's work. Okay. So let's start with the what is Rust. Rust is a system programming languages focus on performance, memory safety, and concurrency. It achieves memory safety through its ownership and borrowing system instead of a garbage collector, making it ideal for high performance backend services. Why Rust for backend development? Rust provides C++ level performance, memory safety, fearless concurrency, and predictable latency because it's does not rely on garbage collector. It well suited for APIs, microservices, networking, and distributed system. What is ownership? Ownership is a Rust memory management model. Exactly, every value has exactly one owner. When the owner goes out of a scope, Rust automatically frees the memory. This eliminates the need for a garbage collector while ensuring memory safety. What is borrowing? Borrowing allow a function to access a value without taking ownership. Immutable borrowing, we denoting it with the and t, allow read-only access, and while mutable borrowing and mute t allow modifications. Okay. What is the borrow checker? The borrow checker enforces Rust ownership and borrowing rules at compile time. It prevents data races, dangling references, and invalid memory access before the program runs. Difference between ownership and borrowing. Ownership transfer responsibility for a value while borrowing allow temporary access without transferring ownership. What is move? By default, assigning a passing a non-copy value transfer ownership instead of copying it. This is called a move. Difference between copy and clone. Copy perform an implicit bitwise copy for simple type like integers. Clone performs an explicit deep copy, and it is used for heap allocated data like string and vector. What is a stack versus heap? The stack stored fixed size data with fast allocation, while the heap stored dynamically sized data and require allocation. Rust uses pointer like box to allocate on the heap. What are lifetimes? Lifetime tell the compiler how long references remain valid. They prevent dangling references by ensuring borrowed data outlive the references. What is a smart pointer? A smart pointer are data structure that behave like a pointer but provide additional functionalities such as automatic memory management, share ownership, synchronizations, or interior mutability. What is box? Box store data on the heap while maintaining single ownership. It is commonly used for large value and recursive data structures. What is RC? RC is a reference counted smart pointer that enable multiple ownership in a single threaded applications. Okay. What is arc? Arc is an automatic reference counted smart pointer that enables safe shared ownership across multiple threads. Okay. Difference between RC and arc. RC is for single threaded application and is faster because it doesn't use automatic operations. Arc is thread safe because it uses automatic reference counting. What is shell? Shell provide interior mutability for copy types by allowing value to replace without mutable references. Okay. What is RefCell? RefCell provide interior mutability with borrow checking at runtime instead of compile time. It is only for single thread use. Okay. Difference between shell and RefCell. Shell work only with copy types and provide get and set method. RefCell support borrowing mutable reference to non-copy type with runtime borrow checking. What is interior mutability? Interior mutability allows modifying data even when the containing value is immutable. Rust provides this through shell and RefCell. What is Mutex? Mutex provide exclusive mutable access to shared data across thread by allowing only one thread to access the data at a time. What is an RwLock? And RwLock allow multiple readers, yeah, one writer at a time, making it efficient for read heavy workload. Okay, difference between Mutex and RwLock. A Mutex allow only one thread to access data at a time, and RwLock allow multiple concurrent readers but only one write. Okay, what is one lock? OnceLock store a value that can be initialized exactly once and safely shared across thread. What is LazyLock? LazyLock initialize a value only when it is first accessed, making it useful for expensive resources. What are atomic types? Atomic types provide lock-free thread-safe operation of primitive value like counter and flags. Okay. What is send? Send is a marker trait indicating that a type can be safely transferred between threads. What is sync? Sync is a marker trait indicating that type can be safely shared between multiple threads through the shared reference. Okay. What is result? Result represent an operations that can be succeed with the value of type T, या fail with the error of type E. Okay. What is option? Option represent an optional value that can either be some value या none. Difference between option and result: option represent the presence या absence of a value, while result represents success या failure with a associate error. What is the ternary operator? What marks? Okay, the ternary operator propagates error by returning early if a result is an error, simplifying error handling. What is Tokio? Tokio is Rust's most popular asynchronous runtime. It provides task scheduling, asynchronous I/O, timer, networking, and synchronization primitives for building a scalable backend applications. What is async programming? Async programming allows a programmer to perform other work while waiting for I/O operations, improving throughput and accessibility. What is a future? A future is a value representing a computation that may complete in future. It does not until it pulled by a async runtime. Why does not Rust need a garbage collector? Rust uses ownership, borrowing, and lifetime to determine when memory should be freed at compile time, eliminating the need of garbage collector. Okay, so this is just a basic interview questions of Rust that used in backend and system programming. We will soon add more advanced of these questions. So you just go through this video once if you not understand, and search this topic on internet through AI search engines. You will understand this very well. So I hope this video will help you. I just created this video for myself to just remember this concept. If you have any question, you can comment it out. You are on my channel new, then subscribe my channel. Okay, goodbye.